Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be showing you the new option in our multi-drilling option of sorting on a cylinder. If we take a look at this part that we have, you'll note that we have a cylinder over here that I have to drill these holes around the cylinder itself. So if I go into my operation, and you'll note that I'll be using the multi-axis drilling operation, you'll see that my geometry includes all of these holes around the part itself. And if I go into my technology, you'll see we have the sort sequence by default. If we take a look at the simulation at this moment, and I'll use the solid verify simulation, you'll see that the tool machines in the way it wants to go around according to the way the part was designed, choosing the default tool path around. This is not always most necessarily the most efficient way that we want to drill our holes as far as the sequence goes. So we have now complete control as far as the sequence goes on our cylinders. If I were to go into my technology area, and instead of sort sequence by default, we have the option of advance, and in advance I can choose the option of cylinder. Now in cylinder I can choose any form of these shapes that I want the tool to go around with. For example, in this particular case I would prefer driving my tool in this particular shape where it goes from one end to the other and then works over to the next row and works its way back down. If we take a look now again at the simulation, again using the solid verify simulation, you'll see this time the tool will work its way up, then over to the next row, taking the most efficient path that I have felt that would be good for this particular part, completing the entire drilling sequence on this part itself. Thank you for joining us on SolidCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.